See, next we are discussing about the question number 59. Resistance is P, Q, R, S. What is given by the resistance are given by the P, Q, R, S of value of 2, 3, 2, 4. From Wheatstone bridge, the resistance is to be connected, yes, to have the bridge is balanced. See, the Wheatstone bridge means we know the diagram for this is the Wheatstone bridge. This is the Wheatstone bridge of a diagram. Now this is the P resistor, here the Q, here R, and this is the S. Now the P is equal to how much is given by the 2, Q is equal to also is given 3, R is equal to 2, and then S is equal to is given by the 4. But it is not a balanced. Because of the balance means what is the formula then? P by Q is equal to R by S. P by Q is equal to R by S. P by Q, that is nothing but 2 by 3 is equal to, here how much is the R is the 2, but S is there, the different 4 is there. Now the how much of the resistance we are connected to this resistance, the S2 connected by the resistance, that will be the balanced. See, now that is the 4 plus X. X is nothing but the connecting of a extra. See that resistance, this is the X resistance is connected to a parallel of a this S resistance, then it should be in a balanced. The parallel, see we can write here the X should be parallel. What is the X should be parallel. X should be parallel. అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే ఇది ప్యారలల్ ఉంటుందో అప్పుడు ఈ బ్రిడ్జ్ అనేది బ్యాలెన్స్ అవుతుంది. బ్యాలెన్స్ అంటే దీనికి ఈక్వల్గా 3 రెసిస్టెన్స్. అంటే నౌ దెన్ హౌ మచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ, అంటే ఆ ఎక్స్ ఎంత వాల్యూ ఉంటుందో మనం దెన్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ హియర్. ద ఎక్స్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్. సి దిస్ మస్ట్ బి, హియర్ ద ఎస్ ఈజ్ కూడా హౌ మచ్ ఈజ్ దేర్ 4 ohms. నౌ ద ఎక్స్ మస్ట్ బి ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆఫ్ 3 4. అంటే లెస్ దాన్ ఆఫ్ 4 అంటే సిన్స్ ద 3 ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆఫ్ 4 అంటే 3 అన్నది మనం కనెక్ట్ చేయడం. దిస్ ద 4 ohms that should be is there. Then we can write here the, when it's connected in a parallel, what is the parallel combination? The resistance in parallel combination 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. See here 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1. R1 is equal to how much is there? The 4 plus here the X. Taking the LCM 4 into X, 4 plus X is equal to 1 by Rp. Then Rp is equal to 4x by 4 plus x. The denominator take the numerator. The numerator comes in a denominator. The Rp is equal to 4x by 4 plus x. Then here the Rp is nothing but to the balancing. The balancing means we take here the final. This will be equal to. This will be equal to where we equal to where this should be parallel 3. Now this 3 is equal to 4x by 4 plus x. Take the cross multiplication. 3 into 4 plus x is equal to 4x. 3 into 4 12 plus 3x is equal to 4x. Then we taken this side. 12 is equal to 4x minus 3x. Then the 12 is equal to x. That means how much is the x is the parallel. The 12 is the parallel 12 ohms. The parallel resistance is connected to a yes. Then the bridge can be balanced. Bridge can be balanced. So next, see the question number 60. Question number 60. For resistance P, Q, R, X, the formed a Wheatstone bridge. The bridge is balanced when R is equal to 100 ohms. If P and Q are interchanged, the bridge balanced 121 ohms for the value of x. Here how many resistance are given? 4. P, Q, R, X is given by P, Q, R, X. See Wheatstone bridge. The bridge is balanced. When bridge is balanced is nothing but what is the formula? P by Q is equal to R by S. S is nothing but what is here the X. That time this R is equal to is given. How much is given by the 100 by X. This is considered the equation number 1. Next, when the interchange of P and Q, when the interchange of P and Q and Q by P is equal to P by Q is equal to, then the R value is given by the 121. See again we can write here the R by X. That R is equal to is given by the 120 by X. This is considered the equation number 2. Now the multiply equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. See that's the P by Q into Q by P is equal to 100 by X into 121 by X. P, P, Q, Q gets cancelled. X into X square. Then the cross multiply X square is equal to 100 into 121. Then X is equal to under root of 100 into 121. 100 into 121. The root of 100, 10. And root of 121, how much is it? 11. 11 into 10, that is 110 ohms. That X is equal to how much is the 110 ohms. Next, question number 61. In the circuit, show in the figure the value of resistance X when potential difference between the points B and D is 0 will be. See, here is given by the diagram. See, this is the one of the resistance. See, now here there is given by the two resistance. Two resistance is given by that, and it is connected to the another resistance. So this is the Wheatstone bridge can be formed. In Wheatstone bridge, see here is given by the A point. This is the B point, and this will be given by the C point, and it is given by the D point. Now this A and C is connected between the battery, positive and negative terminal. And now here is given by the 18 ohms. Here is given by the 21 ohms. Now here is given by the 8 ohms, and here is given by the X ohms. Now here is given by the 3 ohms, and it will be given by the 6 ohms. Then find out this X. See the X value we can find out. The what is the formula we can get by the P by Q is equal to R by S. P by Q is equal to R by S. Now this is the P, this is the resistance is the Q, this is the R, and it is the S. Now the Q place, what is connected by there? Actually this is two resistance are there in parallel. Two resistance are parallel. Then after is there in a series. In parallel combination, first we can find out this effective resistance. What you can find out the effective resistance. Effective resistance. See in effective resistance, it is the two are parallel. This is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 in the parallel combination. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. See here the R1 is equal to how much is there here the 8. R2 is equal to how much is it? X. Then Rp is equal to 8 into X by 8 plus X. We can write, take the LCM and denominator, take the numerator. Numerator comes to the denominator. But here observing this parallel combination, what is connected by the 3 ohms in series combination. So this effective capacitance Rs is equal to 8x by 8 plus x into Rp. Sorry, Rp into the series combination Rp into 3 ohms. See Rp is equal to how much is 8x by 8 plus x plus 3. This is the Rs. Take here the LCM. Again 8x plus 3 into 8 plus x by 8 plus x. See that is equal to 8x. 3 into 8, that is a 24 plus 3x divided by 8 plus x, that is equal to 11x plus 24 by 8 plus x. This is the Rs. Rs is nothing but what is the value then? Q value. Now this value we can substitute here. Where we can substitute by the P by Q is equal to R by S. P is equal to how much is there here? The 21. P is equal to how much is it? 21 divided by Q. Q is nothing but this total effective capacitance. That effective capacitance how much is there here? 11x plus 24 by 8 plus x is equal to 8 plus x is equal to, take here the, so what we taken by the is equal to R by S. R is the 18. R is the 18 and S is the 6. Now here the cancel. The 6. How many times are there? 3 times. 3 how many times are there here? The 7 times. 7 into 8 plus x, because of the denominator take the numerator, by 11x plus 24 is equal to what? Take the cross one. 7 8 ja 56. 7x is equal to 11x plus 24. And this 7 is taken this side and 24. 56 minus 24 is equal to 11x minus 7x. That is equal to 4x, and this will be the 32. 32 by 4 is equal to x. That x is equal to 8 ohms. How much is this? The x is equal to will be 8 ohms.